My name is Bonnie Reich and welcome to Symmetry Closets. We understand there's no such thing as a simple life, but a well-ordered life is achievable through great design. Yes, big dreams do live in small spaces. My living room and my family room is a mess. I just don't have room to pick up everything and put it away so my home is presentable. But my closets are full and I just don't know what to do. Now, you could try to find some furniture pieces. I've been in this situation myself, but it's very difficult to find pieces that fit. Either things are just too tall or too short or not big enough. They usually don't have the features you're looking for, especially if you're working around your existing electronic components. And color and finishes, well, that's a whole nother thing to try to make it work with your decor. This is the perfect opportunity to think about a custom-made wall unit, something designed just for you, something that fits in with your sense of style, that complements your decor and the color and finishes you're looking for. And every feature is available to you, whether you want doors that are solid so you don't have to see the mess, or you want glass doors so you can highlight some things. Maybe even incorporate some nice ambient lighting just to give that room a special pop. Whatever style and finish you're looking for, there's something available that's just right for you. But remember, the most important thing is whatever space you have, a custom-made built-in takes advantage of all of it. Remember, big dreams do live in small spaces.